So it's helpful to think of your drawstring or belt buckle on your shorts for this because we're going to be turning our hips side to side as we move through these lunges. So one foot's going to stay stationary, we'll come back and then cross in front of that foot back and forth, trying to turn our hips to open up towards that leg and then open up away from that leg as you come forward. The last piece of this is you're going to take your hands to about chest height and then rotate those like you see here. That's going to help us drive a little bit more rotation at our pelvis to get that mobility in the hips and ankle like we are after. So try to make this as smooth and fluid as you can going back and forth. Our big goal is keeping these 3 points of contact on your foot in contact with the ground as you transition between these two different lunges. So try to keep those 3 points as you step back and then cross in front the entire time as you're going through these transitions, and use those arms to drive a little bit more rotation as you go back and forth. From this view, you'll be able to see the biggest compensation you'll probably feel as you do this, which is going to be as you cross over in front, and you'll see it on this rep. Your foot's probably going to want to roll up to the outside and lose that big toe edge. So really try to keep that big toe side down, keep those 3 points of contact, and only step and turn as far as you can control those 3 points the entire way. So again, that one foot stays stationary, other leg is kind of pivoting back and forth, and then use those arms to drive a little bit more rotation up the pelvis as you go back and forth.